We still got so much ice. I was getting sketched out because we had several days of warmer weather. I'm gonna go get all my stuff. Good morning, online outdoorsmen. We're out here ice fishing for the second time in our life. I actually have a second rod and reel now, thanks to my cousin. Thank you, Neil. You're a good man. You are a very good man. But anyways, we're on a different lake today. We're on one that I see a lot of people fishing all the time. So my assumption is that there's going to be a decent population of fish in here. Could be wrong, but let's give it a go. That hole's too shallow. Let's move. So it's incredibly windy out here, so I don't know how this audio is going to turn out. I also have no idea what I'm doing from a fishing standpoint. You know, I should have got some wax worms. I knew I should have, and I completely screwed up by not getting them, but who knows. Should be able to catch them on this artificial, I think. My big camera just fell over because of the wind. I think it's okay. This is ridiculous. The wind is howling. I'm not catching any fish. I don't know what I'm doing. I need help. Teach me how to ice fish, YouTube. Somebody tell me. Regardless, I'm trying. I'm gonna keep trying. Just because my camera fell doesn't mean I'm gonna stop trying. Boys and girls, I just drilled another hole. I think this is my 5th hole that I've drilled. I haven't had a single bite, haven't had a single sniff. The water I'm fishing is actually kind of deep. Here's a question for you guys. What kind of tips do you have for people that are fishing deeper bodies of water, but they don't have any kind of flash or fish finder? What the heck do I do? Time for plan B. Alright, plan B is in full effect. I just drilled 4 holes. It's time to catch some fish. The old tungsten jig with a little Berkeley gulp on it. This is tried and true. I caught fish on this last time. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to turn this day around. I believe. Do you believe? I'm not wearing sunglasses today, so this is going to be my rally drink. I'm going to chug some of this mixed berry body armor. Time to rally, folks. It's time to rally. Gotcha. Just another solid fish here, boys. An absolute giant. Man, I don't understand, guys. I want to catch a big fish. There's got to be some big old pike in here that are chomping on these little guys. I actually like this spring bobber a lot. Got him. Oh, what the? That was so weird. He got caught on the side of the ice. You know what? It's not big by any means, but it's bigger than the last one, so at least we're moving in the right direction. There you go, folks. It's crazy how much of a population of fish this place has. The last place was just too deep, and without a fish finder and with like little to no ice fishing experience, I just didn't feel comfortable out there. I might have pulled a little too hard. Spring bobber's dancing. Gotcha. Hey! Yellow perch, little hot dog.
That'll do it, folks.
Got him. Oh, hey, that's kind of a pretty one right there. Nice yellow colors on this guy. And guys, it's like automatic. I mean, there's just such a huge population of these little fish. Yeah. for a bite. Come from the land of the ice and snow, it's called Michigan, don't you know? Ding, 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 ding. I can legit see all the way to the bottom. It's so clear. Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh. Slurp it, dude. Slurp it. Slurp it. Oh, missed him. All right, let's get some underwater footage. This will be dope. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can draw him up again. I'm gonna try to bring him up. And I'm just gonna shove my GoPro in there. Oh, that was sick. I got underwater footage of me setting the hook on this thing. No wonder I was having such a hard time. He's tiny. And, it's so cold. That was so worth it. It's so cool. I can see to the bottom. Oh, there's one. Oh, I got him. I got him. Guys, I know today's video was probably all over the place, but honestly, that's probably a pretty good representation of what my day was like. I promise you guys, I am going to catch a bigger fish through a dang hole one of these days. I haven't caught a big fish in forever. That's a goal of mine. Let's get a bigger fish. Whether it be a northern pike, a bass, just a jumbo perch, whatever it is, I gotta get on some bigger fish. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, if you have not subscribed and you liked what you saw today, I promise it gets better. Make sure to click that button. It means so much to me. It means so much. Check you later.